Hi, I'm Rebecca Robeson with Robeson Design in San Diego. I'm an interior designer, but I'm also a YouTuber. Every week, we upload videos inspiring and entertaining people around the world on how they can make their own personal spaces something special. I decided to start this course on Udemy to teach you one thing. That's how to create a dream bedroom. I speak SketchUp fluently, and by the time we're done, I think you will too. There are principles on where you should put your bed. Which wall is the right wall? I mean, how do you decide? I'm going to tell you. I'm also going to show you how to get free components to use in your model off of the 3D warehouse. The first 6 videos are going to be taught to you by Grayson. Grayson's going to take you step by step
from start to finish.
Everything from how to download the free program.
Let's get started. Bam.
I'm going to show you how to take that sample bedroom we're all doing and make it your own. So you're going to get SketchUp 101 and Interior Design 101. It's going to be fun and exciting. Thank you for joining me today. Let's get started with Udemy and let's get on to the next video.